There's a bill coming up the Condensory Bridge. Watch out for jumpers.
Don't for jumpers.
This is near Condensory Bridge. That's the old bridge. Do you remember this old bridge? Current here is almost too strong. There you go. That's nice. Got a tree above you.
It's yeah, they've got purple martin nests there too. They're quite active.
We're going down the river rapids. Sorry. He's not interested in us at all. Come on. Let's go. Well, here's the wall that's going to come down in a couple of years once they get the bank all stabilized. And there's a hotel. He doesn't look healthy, eh?
Just the fear, eh?
What's that?
Probably a pretty good size too. He's not that concerned about it.
Like he's snoozing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A bunch of them.